Come on, stand up. Oh, he's a good boy. Can you let go for Daddy? Oh, look at you. Stand by yourself. What a big boy you are. You see Uncle Adam, don't you? Say, look what I can do, Uncle Adam.
No, I've given her the day off. She's been working too hard lately. Edgewood Plaza. Do you know it?
Yeah, there were keys in the car.
I've lived in this town over 2 years. I think I know her.
Let go. Oh, good boy.
Drop that chainsaw off.
As far as I haven't driven it, so wherever you left them is where they're at.
No, they're in my car.
It cracks me up when he tries to walk with it and then he puts his arm around and tries to play with the toys on the front too.
All of my life. When I was young, these decorations went up a couple of weeks before Christmas. Then they started putting them up just after Thanksgiving. And now, we don't even get to enjoy Thanksgiving. They're so busy selling Christmas. You can pull over here. Richard, do you know what the
Whoop!
first gift of
I almost poke your eye out.
Hi? You mean you're not going to tell me?
Doink!
maybe you should give it some thought.
The door.
Hey, mister. Mister. Hi, buddy.
I want you to know I am
Whoop!
pleased as much that you've become close to my wife.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
What is it that you don't like?
Hey. It's almost Christmas, yeah.
I think you have a lot of potential.
Look at you.
A ride home. Keep hearing 2 o'clock.
I can't.
Christmas Eve.
We stopped at the on the way home. And then, you want to go to the grocery store and then the
Where are you going, buddy? You want inside baby jail?
business to run. Because on my nerves. Not overreacting. It's really annoying.
Are you going to get Sammy?
There's greedy, and she asked me another one of her weird questions. What was the first gift of Christmas? Oh, I. See, it's funny. I thought it was funny too. Did she think it was funny? Oh,